Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Discord for trading and grow a garden. Start by joining official Grow a Garden Discord servers. These are key for community interaction and trading. Once there, find the designated trading channels. Always review the server's specific rules and guidelines for trading. This ensures a smooth and fair experience for everyone, helping maintain a respectful environment. When crafting your trade offers, clarity is key. Explicitly state the items you are offering and precisely what you are looking for in exchange. For example, offering 5 rare seeds for 2 exotic fruits. Mentioning item rarity, quantity, and any unique attributes helps potential traders understand your proposal quickly. Remember, patience is crucial, and being open to negotiation can lead to more successful and satisfying trades. To ensure safe trading, always verify the reputation of your trading partner. Look for positive feedback or a history of successful trades within the community. It's highly recommended to utilize the in-game trading features whenever possible, as these are designed to prevent scams and protect both parties. If you encounter any suspicious activity or unfair practices, promptly report them to the server moderators. They are there to help maintain a safe trading environment. To truly maximize your trading success, actively engage with the community. Building a positive reputation through fair and consistent trades will attract more partners. Staying informed about the current market values of different Grow a Garden items is also essential for making smart deals. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.